Marson Scan Engine is designed to fit into products with limited space, such as mobile device, wearable device, and kiosk data collector, built with high-quality optics and the best decode algorithm. Our scan engines can scan all 1D and 2D barcodes on any surface, including label or mobile display. Marson Scan Engine is compatible with existing global leaders in terms of electric interface, in assignment and screw position. Therefore, it reduces development time and cost needed during product integration, options and dynamic configuration. Marson Scan Engine also offers multiple interface, so it can fulfill diverse needs of communication methods among many industries. Thank you for your time. No matter you are in POS, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, aviation industries, we would like to help you explore barcode scanning solutions. We also provide OEM and ODM services. For any question, please visit our website at marson.com.tw.